Welcome, today we're going to show you how to unlock or install FiveM and GTA 5 Enhanced. The first thing you need to do is to download FiveM, so you need to go to FiveM page. So just search for FiveM as see from here and click on it. And now you can hit on download. So click on download client, and now this is the first step, you have done it. Also you can click on download from here. After that, you need to run the FiveM installer. So when prompted, to select the installation directory where your GTA 5 game is located. So this is typically in this folder as see from here. You need to select this folder on your Steam or Epic Games. Also on Rockstar Launcher, the location will vary depending on your installation, but it's typically in your default program folder or wherever you install the game. After that, you need to verify the game directory, so FiveM will automatically detect your GTA 5 installation and verifies it. Make sure that your FiveM points to correct GTA 5 installation folder. After you have done that, you need to launch FiveM and play on a custom server. So now you can select custom multiplayer servers and start playing. You may need to browse or search for specific FiveM servers to join. So if you have an issue, you need to make sure that you have located the folder accurately as see from here. Or if you made a custom folder, you need to make sure that FiveM is installed right there. So, thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.